Hello and welcome to the Eastern Idaho planning briefing for weather on Tuesday, January 19th. This is what you'll see in this presentation. It hasn't changed too much from yesterday. We're looking at isolated snow showers possible along the Montana border, Wyoming border, north of Palisades, but otherwise expect to be quiet until Thursday night at the earliest. There is an east-west oriented upper level ridge that is producing northerly airflow that will keep overnight lows cold, and the wind will generate some wind chill that you got to be careful of here. That should all end though on Thursday as clouds move in and the wind changes from being northerly to more northwesterly and westerly, and then finally on Friday it'll be out of the south, bringing in warm air. So here's the current satellite, and you can see this massive low anchored here in the Gulf of Alaska, and it's streaming this moisture up and over the ridge and then down into the northern Great Plains. So we will see occasional high cloudiness, and there is some low clouds and fog around, but a lot of it actually evaporated last night as the colder air moved in. It'll be mostly limited to areas south of the Snake River, and in valleys like the Portneuf River Valley, Goose Creek Valley, and the Bear Lake Basin, to name a few good areas for stratus and fog, depending on your elevation. So eventually this mass here is probably what will be breaking down our ridge and allowing precipitation event for Friday and into the weekend. So this is the impact. We don't see anything for the next couple of days. And then Thursday, that is mostly, it could start as early as Thursday afternoon, but more likely Thursday evening. And then you can see on Friday we have upped our chances of snow. We were much more confident in something arriving. And even in the Snake River Plain now has a chance. The Magic Valley has a chance. Same with the South Hills. And then the snow looks pretty definite, and we'll take a look at snowfall amounts in the southeast highlands. It could get to the point where we have a winter weather advisory for moderate snow. We'll take a look at that as well. Snow in the eastern highlands as well looks very definite, and good chances of snow for the central Idaho Mountains, all four of these areas right here being there. And that continues and actually expands here into the southern hills on Saturday when the cold front moves through, and that actually spreads more moisture to the west into the higher elevations. You can see even the Snake River Plain and Magic Valley now have a chance of snow, not just a slight chance. So we'll look at snowfall first. I will say this, as far as winds go, this storm's not packing a lot of wind. We really don't see any impactful wind, which would mean, in excess of 20 miles an hour until Monday after everything has passed through. And there's a lot more going on there. First part of next week, we're looking at lots of snow. Well, I shouldn't say lots of snow, but a very busy time with snow falling pretty much every day through at least Wednesday. So here we start with Thursday night, what we're expecting. You can see it's mostly a dusting, with the exception of the eastern highlands here going into Wyoming, and the usual suspects, Island Park area where it gets to 1 to 2 inches, maybe even 3 to 4 going over Teton portions of Teton Pass, but actually Teton Pass area, they are looking for 1 to 2 there. And then Friday, with the warmer temperatures during the day and the shift to the east, you don't see as much in the central Idaho mountains. So they get a brief of a break on Friday, but then picks up. And so total for Tuesday through Friday, you can see pretty good amounts here, and that includes Friday night. And so the focus is on these eastern highlands from the Montana border down to the Utah border and over into the Wyoming border. So this whole area here is the area of concern where we'll get the most snow. Elsewhere, It's less than an inch. Temperature-wise, we are looking at temperature on Friday in the Pocatello area getting slightly above freezing, so there will be some partial melt. And that's what the rest of this briefing will be, is just looking at temperatures. So here they are today. You can see we're right around freezing for places from Blackfoot to the south and west. Overnight lows continue to be cold. Anywhere you see the dark blue here, that's below 0. Stanley at 6 below. Even Pocatello 12 degrees. And then Wednesday warms up a little bit more. You can see the area that gets above freezing is making its way beyond Blackfoot into Idaho Falls, or close to Idaho Falls anyway. And actually low 40s for the Burley area. So gets a little bit warmer. It's more sunshine, and that cold airs from the north is actually sort of turned off as winds switch to more northwesterly rather than northerly. And overnight lows here, 0 at Stanley for Thursday morning or Friday night, or excuse me, Wednesday night. Here on Thursday, you can see even Idaho Falls now getting close to the freezing mark. And then Thursday night, Friday morning, now we have cloud cover, so it's a lot warmer. It's up, temperature's up about 5 to 10 degrees, depending on what location. And then on Friday, you can see, again, it's been a shift to more southerly air. Lots of warm air moving in all the way up to Ashton, almost Island Park. Even Driggs is above freezing. And then Saturday morning with the cloud cover, no below 0 to be seen, really, especially for valley locations. Those Stanley's just one above. So that's all I really have. Nothing really going on until we get into Thursday night, Friday night, and Saturday. So until then, just enjoy the calm weather that we have. And we do need the precipitation. Unfortunately, it looks like it's going to be coming in starting this weekend and lasting into next week. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, contact us at this telephone number or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.